Welcome again to this space, fellow learners, and today we are making peanuts for sales or other purpose. Now parboil your groundnut first for 5 minutes. Proceed to drying off the groundnut, spraying it in a tray to allow it to cool to dry. Pick off the dirty, pick off the bad ones from it. By that time, I prefer picking it off after I parboil it, and you can pick it up, remove the dirty before parboiling your groundnut. Yes, you can remove it before. While the groundnut is drying, let's measure our flour and flavor, sugar and water. That means the sugar and water makes up the syrup, and the flour and flavor we mix powdered. You can use, I'm using milk flavor here, so you can use your milk flavor and mix it together. Mix the flavor, 1 teaspoon of flavor, 3 cup of flour, mix it together, or 4.5 cup of flour, mix depending on how many cup of groundnut you're using. Mix it together with a spoon. Let it mix together, and once that is done, that's the flavor here. So once that is done, you proceed to making your syrup with sugar and water. This way your groundnut is getting more dried, and you are preparing what is for coating. So this is our syrup here, and this is all the ingredients here. And make sure to mix your sugar and water, so that makes the syrup, it will circulate into it, the sugar will dissolve into the water. So that's the syrup, sugar and water. Make sure sugar and water is not a syrup. Then start as I'm starting here. You first put a teaspoon and of your syrup and mix together. Put another teaspoon, that's 2 teaspoons of your syrup at a go, and add 2 spoons of flour also after mixing together, and mix just as I am doing in this video. Repeat the steps over and over again till your ingredient is exhausted. Your syrup, no more syrup, no more flour. So you proceed till it is all exhausted. If your syrup finish first before the flour, no problem. The ready flour, as far as it is well coated, you add the last batch of flour and it's still remaining. Leave it, but the syrup should finish. And make sure you do it very well. You are not rushing it, so that it will come out very well. You have a well coated peanut, and not the one that you have everything is already mushy and you have to be separating it almost everything one by one. So after this, after you continue doing it just as I am doing it, once you are done, you can use your hand to separate those ones that gone together. You remember those peanuts that they say that peanut only beji, that they want to give birth to it. Yes, it's because those peanuts are not separated while cutting it. So this is the peanut. So separate it one by one and put it back there. Put it back into the peanuts you are coating and continue the process, your coating process. Yeah, continue picking out. Use your hand to separate the ones you want to separate that needs to be separated. Then you will continue the process. Add flour and butter. So this is our peanut. This is what we are having now. Is ready to be fried. Pour your peanut into oil, your hot oil. Hot oil should be hot, not too hot. And place your gas on a low, like medium heat. After the oil is hot, not low, medium, not low, medium, so that your peanut will not drink oil. The oil will also soak it, whatever English it is. Yeah. So after like 5 minutes, I used my spoon to stir it at interval so that it will not get burnt at one side. After 5 minutes, you can check it first, and then another 2 minutes, check it again. Then when it's already becoming brown, continue to stir and stir, just as you are seeing in this video, until it's brown, golden brown, not golden brown, golden brown. Thank you. So and remove. So once it's golden brown, remove from oil, put into a sieving plastic and sieving iron to sieve off the oil that is remaining there into another bowl, and repeat the process for the remaining peanuts. Let's proceed to packaging. So here we are packaging it. Go to any vendor that is selling nylon and ask for chinchilla nylon. So this chinchilla nylon, this is how it looks like. Package it one, but measure the peanuts that you must be selling, maybe 100 naira or 50 naira, your choice, and measure it into the nylon. And depends on the area you are. If this works well, fine. And if you are not packaging and you just want to eat it at home, you can put it into a 50 cl bottle, not water bottle, clean bottle that did not put water inside, and put it there. Or a bottle, those bottle they used to use and sell granules that is not plastic bottle, you can put it there also. Or a jar, whichever that is dry, that there is no water inside. If not, you will just have raw groundnuts, raw peanuts. So after that, package it just like I am doing. Use a big packaging liner. So tell me, will you be trying this, and how is this video? Hope you learned something from here today. And don't forget to like, subscribe, follow for more, and share to that person that needs it. Share to one person that you want to start something new today, or maybe next month. Someone who needs it, maybe for personal use or commercial purposes. I'll see you in my next video. Thanks for following, thanks for subscribing, thanks for watching till this point. Thank you very much, and God bless you, fellow learners. So this is the final result of all the processes. Thank you. Bye.